Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to connect ClickFunnels to n8n. First, go to n8n and make sure you log it in. Then, click on the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. In the search bar, tap ClickFunnels. You'll notice that there isn't a direct integration for ClickFunnels in n8n yet. However, you can still connect it using the webhook node. Now, click on the webhook option. Here, choose the HTTP method you want to use, such as POST, GET, or another supported method depending on your setup in ClickFunnels. Next, copy the URL provided for the selected HTTP method. You'll see this URL to send data from ClickFunnels into n8n. Then, configure the path and authentication method if required. After that, choose how you want n8n to respond when the webhook is triggered. Once everything is set up, you can paste the webhook URL into your ClickFunnels integration settings and it will send data directly into your n8n workflow. Thanks for watching, hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.